What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. Today we will be covering our weekly crypto market overview, plus a Bitcoin analysis. We will also discuss the next 100x altcoin, EP3. So if you didn't watch my previous videos on the weekly crypto market overview, go watch it right now so you are updated to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to participate in the Juno giveaway. I will be giving away 3 Juno to my first 100 subscribers. Alright, let's get it. Let's get into the market. If we take a look at CoinGecko today, we have a market cap of 1.87 trillion. Last week it was 1.9, so it's almost the same. If we look at the volume, we see today 94 billion. Last week it was at 100, so it's almost the same. If we look at the dominance of BTC, we have 41%. Last week it was 42%. Ethereum 17.3%. Last week it was 17%. What I'm seeing right now in the market and what I'm noticing, we have a potential for the upcoming weeks that some altcoins will start pumping a lot. But there is also possibility we will go down hard. It's a bit going sideways, going up, down. It's not that clear. But we will take a look at the markets today, and this will give us a better overview what's happening in the crypto market, and this will show us some more confirmations on what we can do. If you look at Bitcoin, it was at 42k last week. Now it's at 40k. So we have some very small percentages. You see XRP is doing the best right now this week. This is because there were some good big fundamental news about XRP and about the lawsuit. I am a long-term believer and supporter of XRP. This was one of my first coins I bought and I'm still accumulating. We also talked about Terra Luna. This was at $99, so this dropped like 10%. So this is maybe a good time to start slowly accumulating. If you are holding Luna and you're not staking it, you're missing out on some airdrops and on some staking reward. So if you don't know how to do this, just leave a comment and I will make a video about that. Also, we talked about Polkadot. This was at $70.50, now at $18.10. So this has raised like 8%. This one I'm also slowly accumulating because I'm staking it for 14% reward yearly. So now let's take a look at the markets. If we look at the markets on crypto bubbles, what do we see? Rune, 45% in this week. That's some very nice movements. I think there's a very big possibility that Rune can do a big run the upcoming weeks. Why? Because it dropped from $21 to $3 and now it's back up at $7. So we still have a 3x to go to all-time high. Also, we see BAT, this at 15%. This is a really good fundamental project. And something that pops in my eyes is Pancake Swap. If you don't know what this is or what the possibilities are in DeFi, then just leave a comment and I will make an upcoming video on how to create passive income with Pancake Swap. So for now, we also have Anchor. This mint 34%. This is normal that it's doing a pullback. Why? Because it was like 3 weeks in a row, every time in the green. It was pumping like every day, every week. So now it made a pullback. This is normal. So if you missed out on Anchor and you wanted to buy in or you're very interested, you can start slowly accumulating right now. Also, we have 10% in Elrond. This is a long-term hold for me. I'm very bullish onto this one. Graph, I also hold myself, but I don't have much to say about this one. So now let's take a look at the top 200. If we take a look at the top 200, what do we see? Whoa. 250% in a week. This is crazy. I don't know which project this is, but I will search it. And I will let you know in the next weekly overview. It can be it's a shit project, but it can be it's a very good fundamental project. So we will take a look what happened with this project. And I will let you know in the next weekly overview. So make sure to subscribe if you want to know about that. We can also see Private Chain right here. This is a very good project also fundamentally. You have to understand the more scarce our privacy becomes, the more these private chains will grow in price, grow in value. This one I'm also a long-term holder of. I'm staking this one also for 14 or 12% a year rewards. This gives you 12 to 14% rewards on a yearly basis. So if you want to see some more content about this, just leave a comment. Now we will take a look at the Bitcoin chart to see where are we heading in the market and to see can we see some confirmations. So if you take a look at the daily, this was the last day that I talked about it, 9 March. I said if we can hold 42k, this would be very bullish. But I said in my previous video that it's a big possibility we will drop to 39, 38k. And what did we do just a day after my video? We dropped down to 39k and then we dropped to 38k 800, then we dropped to 38k, we even went a bit below, and now we are back up and we are still above 38k. As I said in my previous video, as long as we can hold 38k, there is some bullish momentum and there is still a bullish possibility. But if we would drop below 38k and go to my next point of interest between 36 and 37k, this is a dangerous zone. If we cannot hold this zone, it looks we are going to 32k, and this will make a lot of altcoins bleed. So make sure to keep this in mind. Also, if I look at the overall structure, there's still a possibility for us to go above 45k, 46k, and stay above, and then we go trading higher between 50k, 52k. So this was also a target for me. As I said, my target is EBC to 32k or EBC to 52k. So make sure to keep this in mind. I will keep you updated every week. If there is a very important update between the weeks in the midweek or something and I see a very good confirmation, I will give you an update immediately. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and give me some support. So for now, it's still the same as last week. I will keep you updated. Also, for the people who are feeling anxious because you have too much money in the market, start de-risking a bit of your position, because in my opinion, if you sell now, there is a possibility we go higher, but I think there is a big possibility we will see lower prices than we see today. I don't know when, but I think it's going to be this year and it's going to be much lower than it is right now. But we're never sure, so make sure to always anticipate on the market. So if you stay above this trend line, it looks still bullish for me. So if you now take a look at the next 100x altcoin, EP3, what's the possibilities there and what did we talk about? So if we go to the daily, this blue candle was the last day that I talked about it in my previous weekly overview on Wednesday. I said that there's a big possibility we would drop down to 4.5, and what are we doing? Yes, we are dropping down to 4.5 to my point of interest. So for everyone who watched the video last week and you followed my advice or you followed my look at the market, you could make some juicy money. You could short EP3, you could short Bitcoin, or you could sell your positions in those two and then just buy in right now and you made money, or you made your position even bigger to hold for the longer term. So for now, what I'm seeing in EP3, very simple. We are gonna retest at least 5.5 in my opinion. There's also a possibility we will come down as low as 3.5 if we cannot hold 4.5. So for now, I'm looking at that this price holds, retest this, and then come back here, stay above, and then we can go higher again. If we are not going to do that, we will go lower to 3.5. So make sure to watch that. We can see that clearly on the 1 hour. If we look at this is my point of interest. If we break this, we will go down to 3.5. That's my opinion. So I hope it was very clear and very learningful. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comments. Make sure to put in your notifications so you don't miss my weekly overview on the crypto market. Make sure to watch all the videos that I provided about the weekly overview. This is just my first month on YouTube. This is my 4th weekly overview. So I will try to upgrade my content. I will try to bring you more value. If there's anything you would like to see on this channel, just leave a comment. Thanks for all the support, and I see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.